Hello everyone, a warm welcome to FIXtastic Contents, the channel to your solutions. Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn how to root Lineage OS 17.1, which is based on Android 10. Now, before we go any further, please read the disclaimer carefully. This method can also be used on the devices running with official Android version with Android 9 and up. If you have Android 8 and below, watch my other video on rooting available on the channel or by clicking on the link available in the description. Now, as you can see, I am on Lineage 17.1, which is based on Android 10. Let me show you my device is not rooted by installing Root Checker app from the Play Store. As you can see, my device is not rooted. Now let's get started. Install Magisk Manager app from www.magiskmanager.com. Scroll down and click on Download Magisk Manager. Wait for the download to be completed. After you have downloaded the application, install the app and then open Magisk Manager app and click on Install button next to the Magisk as shown in the video. Click on Download Zip Only and then click Let's Go button on the top right. Once the download is finished, turn off the device and reboot it to TWRP recovery. Go to install, click on select storage and select phone storage and navigate to download folder. Now select the Magisk installer zip file and then just press reboot button. Now, once the phone is booted, you can download the root checker app to see if the root is achieved successfully or not. You guys can see my device is rooted successfully. Thank you for watching this video tutorial today. If this video helped you, please can you like and subscribe. There's still more contents to come. Bye for now.